Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Allow me to introduce myself. My name is Abi Amanullah. I am from Informatics Engineering Class A. Today, I would like to tell you a story about my hometown. Returning to my grandmother's house in Banjar is a ritual that feels like stepping into a different world, far away from the relentless deadline and the noisy traffic of my life as a university student. The journey itself is a transition into a peace, but the true magic begins the moment I step through her front door and greeted by the warm smiles of my extended family. In Banjar, hospitality isn't just a polite gesture, it is a way of life, and for me, it is always symbolized by the mouth-watering aroma of gurame goreng sizzling in the kitchen. Every time I stay there, my relative ensure that the dining table is never empty, placing the perfectly fried, crispy carb at the center of every meal. There is something incredibly comforting about sitting on the floor with my cousins, sharing stories and laughter over a plate of warm rice and spicy sambal, while the steam from the food rises into the air. It is more than just a meal. It is a reminder of where I come from and the unconditional love that waits for me whenever I need a break from the pressures of adulthood. The beauty of Banjar lies not just in its food, but in its quiet, rhythmic way of life and the refreshing coolness of its air that seems to rejuvenate my lungs with every breath. My favorite part of the afternoon is following my uncle to the edge of the fish pond behind the house to watch him engage in his favorite hobby, fishing. I often sit nearby in silence, observing the incredible passion he has as he waits for a bite, a stark contrast to the fast-paced, instant gratification world I usually live in. As the sun begins to set, the mist starts to roll in, highlighting Banjar's unique identity as a transit city that sits gracefully on the border of West and Central Java. This location gives the city fascinating cultural blend, where the politeness of Sundanese culture meets the gentle influence of Javanese tradition, creating a community that exceptionally welcoming to everyone. Waking up to the chilly morning breeze and the sound of the birds make me realize that Banjar is a hidden gem. It is a place where time slows down, allowing me to appreciate the simple joy of a family bond and the serene beauty of the town that feels like a warm embrace. As the night falls, the heart of Banjar shifts to vibrant alun-alun, where the cool meeting air meets the lively energy of the community. Here, the town's unique position on the border of West and Central Java truly shines, as you can hear a beautiful harmony of Sundanese and Javanese culture blending in the night markets. Walking through the brightly lit square, enjoying the local street food, and witnessing the humble spirit of the people always reminds me of the rich heritage I carry with me. This lively yet peaceful atmosphere is a side of Banjar that I always miss when I am busy with my studies in informatics engineering. That's all from me. I apologize for any mistake in my words. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.